Hey guys, I would like to welcome all the new LiveGood members and say how excited I am for you to getting started on this amazing journey together and looking forward to working with you and my team. We have an incredible team here and we provide you really the information you need. I want you to take these 3 steps to get started and to really launch your LiveGood business in a way that will excel your success. And that's what we're here for. This business is growing exponentially. I mean, literally back in January, they had like 60,000 members, and now they have over 170,000 members. So you can see the excitement, the growth, and this is a international company. You can build this anywhere in the world, and that's what makes it really exciting because literally we have friends all over the world, and I'm excited to get this system to them as well. And so let's go ahead and jump into this. 3 easy steps to get started on the fast track as a new LiveGood member. And you want to watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to talk about the most exciting and the most efficient way to build this business. All right, so let's go ahead, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is go to livegood.com, and then you just want to log in using your username and password. And then that will take you to the main site here. So with anything that we do in life, you want to make sure that you're familiar with what you're using every day. I kind of look at this business as like taking a trip, taking a vacation. What do we always do? We may see something on social media, see these beautiful pictures, beautiful landscapes, and we're like, hey, let's go take this trip. It looks amazing. So what do we start doing? We start doing research. So that's what your back office here is in LiveGood. This is your research. This is what you want to be familiar with. What sites do you want to go see? What landmarks are there in that area? Maybe there's some tours that you can take, all right? And really, that's all we are here at LiveGood are tour guides. And that's the simplest way to look at this. When you want to go see the best sites, when you want to go experience the things in the region that you want to go visit, a lot of times you'll go get a professional tour guide. They live there most of the time. They're experienced with the everyday culture and what that area has to offer. So same thing here. This is your back office to LiveGood. Now, I would say that in this back office, one of the things that you want to get started with is really looking at, first of all, your team and how that team is growing and how you want to grow that team. And so for one thing, when I got started, I looked at, first of all, what excited me was the products. I mean, really how low cost the products are and the quality of the products. They're amazing supplements. I take them every day. But then also, I wanted to share this with my friends. And who better to do things in life with than your friends? And when you're excited about something, what do? You go share it with them. And that's all we're doing here at LiveGood is sharing this information, sharing the opportunity, okay? So what you want to do is in this team view, it shows your current rate. And the great thing about this, it's so duplicatable that you duplicate your success over and over and over, right? So the most successful businesses are able to duplicate their success. For instance, if you go to a McDonald's here in Houston, Texas, and have a cheeseburger, and then you go to California, New York, Oklahoma, wherever it may be, and you eat that cheeseburger there at that McDonald's, it's going to taste pretty much the same. They've duplicated a system that works. And that's all we're doing. It's duplicating a system that works and sharing this. So when you look at this, I went silver literally my first week. I got in 2 weeks ago. So from the work that I did my very first week, I got paid that next week. We get paid every week, which is awesome. And so when I talk about duplication, I was able to duplicate my success to another person as well one of my good friends, and nothing's more rewarding than sharing an opportunity with somebody and they're having the same or even better success than you are. That's really exciting and it's duplicatable. He did the same thing. He went silver in 1 week as well. And now I have a bunch of bronzes that are about to go silver in their second week. So it's just a duplication and just doing the same thing over and over and keeping it simple. Okay. So step one, get familiar with your back office. That's your team. We have also under my earnings, you can look at your rank there and you can see all your team members. You can see your current rank as well. You can see your goals, your progress bars of what you want to achieve there. And that's really exciting for me because I love setting goals. And really the best way to do that is to go to the pay plan or the rank advancement, right? What do you want to achieve in this business? What are you trying to do? So there's 6 different ways to earn income in this, right? So you can, that's kind of a lot of people's motivation. My inspiration is helping other people become healthy and meeting their financial goals. So, this aligns with what I'm doing every day, health and wellness. I mean, it's just awesome. And with this, you're able to create that wealth for people as well. And so this just goes through the 6 different ways. I'm not going to go through this whole compensation plan. That will be another video. But it just kind of shows you, it's like, okay, how much do I want to make? If I sit idly and don't do anything, you can definitely make a little over $2,000 a month. It may take some time. It may take a year or so to get to that point. But this compensation allows for the person that is just like, hey, I want the products. I want to purchase the products at that low price. They're great products. And I just leave it at that. Okay, perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with that. For someone that sees the opportunity here, and I know everybody here that's on my team, they definitely see that opportunity. I went bronze in 1 day, and a lot of my team members went bronze in 1 day. All that is sharing it with 2 people, and then they enroll, okay? And then you're a bronze. You've basically doubled your money. And then silver, I did that in 1 week. And that's not to brag. It's just saying that you can do this too. I don't have a large organization. I'm not a guru when it comes to internet marketing or anything else. I'm telling you, I'm the little guy. When they built this company, when they built this business, they were aiming it to me, to the little guy that doesn't have thousands and thousands of people in their network, in a different network or in a different company. No, I started with 0, nothing. And I shared it with a few friends and it has exploded. So then my next goal is gold at a little over right at $8,200 a month. And so when you begin to see these, it's what do you want to achieve? What kind of lifestyle do you want to create for yourself? This is a good place to set those goals so you know what you're looking at, okay? And we're just going to hit the back button. And then this clicks on the advancement rank, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. And it shows you exactly what you need to do to get there. And that's why I really like this view rank here, because that shows you exactly where you're currently at and what you need to achieve to get to that next level. Okay, so just get familiar, click around in here. Here's your shop. You don't have to purchase products. Another exciting feature of this business is you don't have an auto ship. You're not required to buy a certain minimum amount of products each month to qualify for your commissions. How great is that? I mean, it's pretty much just like whenever Jeff Bezos created Amazon, and then he created a Prime membership, and he was like, hey, when they first started, you can get this Prime membership for $9.95. You get free 2-day shipping on everything you purchase here. You get access to movies, content, music, all this great, amazing stuff. Great benefit for $9.95. Of course, it's gone up a little bit since then, but the premise is he offers a great service for a great value. But then let's say Jeff Bezos comes back and says, hey, you know what? When you share this Prime membership with other people, I'm going to pay you a commission or an affiliate fee for that every time they become a paid member on Amazon Prime. We're doing the same thing. This is a membership-based company, compensation plan. And that's the beauty of this. And this is why it's taken off so fast. We have low cost products, highest quality products, and an amazing compensation plan. So again, just get familiar with everything here, your order history here, what you've ordered. That's the link for your tracking, your team again, your referrals, so you can begin to look at all your pre-enrollees, who's there as a pre-enrollee, who's a member. So yeah, your enroller, like who's my enroller, who's what they call upline from me in the organization. My brother is the one that I'm so thankful for that he shared this with me. And then upline platinum, Rob 4, upline diamond, sorry about that, Jeff Amon. So then if you go back and you begin to look at the leaderboard, you'll see our team members at the very top of this, which makes it exciting because we have great leadership in our organization. Who's the number one enroller in this whole company? Jeffrey Amon, our upline diamond. Who is number 7? Rob 4, our upline platinum, right? So we have an amazing leadership, and they keep just saying and repeating the same thing over and over. And what I'm going to share with you on step number 3, how to be successful and how to get started on the fast track, how you can also be silver in 1 week as well and start earning money. I mean, I literally paid $139 for the whole year. And my first week, I made way more than that. So everything from here on out is pure profit. And then I'm saving a ton of money on my supplements every month. So step 1, get familiar with the back office. Come through here, start looking at everything. Step number 2 is you have the webinar schedule, all right? You want to connect with the leaders, with the owners of this company. And so what you want to do is every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Time, they have their cutoff Zoom. So of course, you guys know on Thursdays is when that power line cuts off, and everybody that hasn't paid up to that time, they basically drop to the bottom. Everyone's paid rises up into the matrix. All right. So you get a faster start. So the sooner you get started, the sooner you pay, the better off you are. So and then Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern, the rank recognition and training. And then the Monday product calls. These are awesome with Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. I mean, unbelievable product training. They tell you how the products work, why they work, how they can optimize your health in the best way. Very important to plug in. Now, these all say these are Zoom calls, but the nice thing is they have them on YouTube, all right? They have their own LiveGood YouTube channel. And I'm going to put the link down below, so I'll share this channel with you. And you just want to go through these videos and start looking through them and seeing exactly all the information. I go back to the tour guide, right? We're planning that vacation. These are our tour guides. This will give you the information. When somebody asks you a question about the business, and by the way, don't think you have to be an expert in any of this when you first get started, because these are your resources. These are the answers that you will basically just share a link with somebody else to provide them with the information. You can go through here, start kind of looking at these different videos and get the information you need to share with people. Then they have the live section with those live Zoom cutoffs. These are a lot of the Zoom calls that they have, and they do them all live. And so it's so powerful to be able to come back here and get familiar with this too. These are where all your questions are answered for the whole company. These are the owners of the company. So you're hearing it straight from the horse's mouth. And, I just love how they put this whole thing together. Everything's so easily accessible. So number 1, get familiar with their back office. That's number 1. Step 2, connect. All right. Get plugged in with our leaders, with the owners of the company. And now, thank you for staying for the whole video. And by the way, if you are enjoying this content, if it's valuable to you, valuable to your business, then I would encourage you to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and jump right in to the most important step, step 3. So we're here at the back office again, and you just want to go to my websites. Now, here is the secret ingredient, and it's so simple. You want to keep everything simple. Don't complicate this, okay? Just keep it simple, and you can go silver in a week. All right. Go down, you'll see LiveGood site as your #1 website link. Here it is, the Powerline landing page. This is what each one of you were sent. And the 5-minute video is so powerful, as you know, that's why you joined as well. So again, we're tour guides. We're pointing them to the right direction. We're sharing this with them. So you just highlight that link right there, and it'll be livegoodtour.com/your username. So whenever you share it, there's a few different ways, of course, to share anything. You can share it in person, and I've created a system or a QR code to help you share that in person, and I'll link that video to this one. And so it's really easy when you run to somebody in the gym or the grocery store or getting a haircut or whatever it is. You meet them in person, and I just say, hey, listen, it's great to see you. I'm super excited about this new opportunity. I would love to share it with you. Does that sound okay? Most time I'm like, yeah, what do you got? And so I'll pull out my QR code on my phone, save it in my notes, and then they scan the QR code, they fill in their name, their email right in front of me, click on reserve my position, and now they're in. Let the system do the rest. I tell them, watch the 5-minute video, contact me after you watch it. That's it. It's that simple. Another way to share it is definitely text message. We always have our phones with us, right? Always texting our friends. You can take that link right there, and really all you got to say, I'll do some more training, but there's not a lot of training. Be yourself. That's why I always say, be yourself. The top leaders in this company, Rob, Tim, all the way to Nader and Ben Galinsky, they say, share your link. Keep it simple. Be yourself. That's how you grow a massive organization here. All right. All I'll do is, hey, check this out. Very excited about this opportunity. Click on the link as soon as you can. That's it. Click on the link, and then they're good to go. Then let the system do the rest. Ben has built a great email follow-up system. So when they fill in their name and their email and reserve my position, it will send them ongoing emails to educate them about this opportunity. And so that's another way to share text message. Email. Oh my goodness, how long have we had email? I've got a huge email database of friends and family. And I just go to that and send them the link, send them a quick message. Hey guys, have you seen this? You got to check it out. It's exploding. And I would love to share this with you. That's it. Just keep it simple. And I'll be making some other videos on that, but really guys, keep it simple, share it. That's all I did week 1. That's all I'm doing week 2. And the business is just continuing to grow and exploding every single day. And I just love to see the success with everybody. It's so fun to see our team growing. Everybody, is really starting to make money. The people that have shared it with a couple people. And that's the fun of this. And so if you haven't got started, if you've been in a week or maybe 2 and you haven't got started, start here, okay? That's all you do. Share the link. And then the third website is the retail site. So you can look at the comp plan and see how to work that. But the most important step is step 3. Share your link. I can't emphasize that enough. It's the simplest thing to do too, out of everything. So anyway, guys, great being with you again. Any questions, comments, please leave those below. Also, if you have something to share, excitement, what's happening in your organization, what's going on, please leave a comment below. And again, please like and subscribe to the channel here for more valuable content to come. All right, guys, great seeing you. Let's go. Let's rock this out. Live good.